In this video, I will compare the performance and value of the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A to see how it stacks up against standard gaming displays. When you look at this monitor, side by side with a typical 60Hz or even 144Hz screen, the contrast and motion clarity is jarring. The VG27AQ5A boasts a blistering 210Hz, overclocked refresh rate, and a 0.3 milliseconds minimum gray-to-gray response time, which virtually decimates the lag and blur that plague slower panels. While basic monitors struggle with ghosting during fast-paced action, this 27-inch QHD display utilizes fast IPS technology to keep visuals sharp. A major standout feature is the ELMB sync, which allows extreme low-motion blur to work simultaneously with variable refresh rate technologies like AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA Adaptive Sync. Most monitors force you to choose between tear-free frames and blur reduction, but this model offers the best of both worlds. For color enthusiasts, the 95% DCI-P3 gamut provides a significant boost in richness over standard sRGB screens, making HDR content feel much more immersive. Whether you are a professional gamer who needs that first strike advantage or a casual player wanting smooth 1440p visuals, the trade-off here favors those who value speed without sacrificing color accuracy. The integrated display widget center also makes it much easier to tweak settings with a mouse rather than fumbling with physical buttons. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Let me know in the comments if you think 210Hz is the new sweet spot for QHD gaming.